Just very briefly, I'm going to show you my little flashlight. Isn't that cute? And the end, I can turn it to there. I can have it up there. I can have it over that way. Whatever. That's all I'm going to use. And a tip for you: if you're getting ready to get some tools, you always want to look and see if the hardware store happens to have anything on sale for a whole kit. You know, for your drill, for all kinds of stuff. Because even with that, like I said, I got that. I got a little circular saw. I think it was 5-inch. A little Sawzall. 2 chargers, or 1 charger, 2 batteries, and even a case that it came with, like a duffel bag type case. All that, and it was way cheaper than buying everything individual. Okay, and you don't have to get Ryobi. They have things like that for all kinds of stuff. I happen to have, you know, DeWalt has them, Bosch has them. This happens to be a Bosch, and you can get kits for that. And this Bosch here is one of those impact drills. The Ryobi is just a regular drill. And trust me, if you're going to do any work around the house, you want to get an impact drill. I just happen to have one of each. And you might want to get one of each. And sometimes you can get a set. One which is the ratcheted one, and one that's a regular one. Just look around at the store. Because that ratcheted impact drill, oh man, that works really good for all kinds of stuff. Okay, all right, that's all I wanted to say for this little segment. Now, if you've never been up in an attic before, you probably want to get a hat on, you want some goggles on, you want some gloves on, you want some maybe a mask. I happen to have a little dust mask. We'll probably put that on. Long sleeve shirt. You could put a bandana around your neck. All kinds of stuff like that, because if you've not been up there, if you're not careful, you're going to get itchy. Okay, so just protect yourself and be ready.